Welcome back to the real crypto space. Today's video is on the coin Strong.
And this is also not financial advice. And yeah, we'll be talking about why Strong is a very good cryptocurrency as well.
But before we get into this video, please may I say that you press this red subscribe button. There's only 5.6% of you are subscribed that actually watch our videos. And also if you could press the like button as well, that really helps out in the algorithm. And also comment down below future videos you would like us to upload. Thank you, let's get straight into the video. First things first, just looking at the Coinmarketcap, you'll see this price and you'll think that is a very high price. But what I want to make you look at here is this market cap. Look how small this market cap is here. It's extremely small. And for the price as well, like, think about where the price could be. So this is actually a very cheap price considering the market cap. And if we also look at the supply as well, yeah, we've got a lot more to be released. We have another 74% to be released, so do expect a lot of burning to happen and it to go down in value because of this. But if you're patient with Strong, and also because of the rewards, you'll still be earning passive income anyway, and the more Strong you have, the more rewards you'll be gaining. So this shouldn't really worry you too much, and you should be a long-term holder anyway. And if we have a look at where it was before the big crash, it was at $316. That's a 55% dip. So we have 55% room of gains to be had here, like easy gains to be had here. As you can see, it is also a trusted coin to be invested in. There's nothing dodgy going on at all. As you can see who they're partnered with, these are all extremely big companies and trusted companies as well, such as Bitcoin.com and ChainSwap. Huge companies, so nothing to be worried about here. And they've also got their NFTs, so they have an auction where you can go buy the NFTs on the Strong auction, and what you're doing is you're buying the NFTs with your Strong token. So they have silver, gold and platinum, so it tells you how much is there as well, how many NFTs are actually available. So there's 5,189 in total NFTs that are providing early exclusive access. So with NFTs you have enhanced rewards, multiple nodes per wallet, early access to new nodes and pools, exclusive access to some features, so based on the NFT type and serial number, airdrops and contests, many more features and exclusives, well beyond additional rewards, and it also looks really good as well. I mean, to be fair, this platinum does look really cool.
So as you may know, I've spoken about nodes in the previous video, and I'm going to speak about it again. So how the nodes work is you must have at least 10 Strong tokens, and you exchange your 10 Strong tokens for one node. And the node makes you 0.1 Strong tokens a day, okay, which equivalates to around 100 days, which will mean you have to pay, which means it will take you 100 days for you to pay back your investment. Because if you earn 0.1 Strong a day, and you've exchanged your 10 Strong for one node, 100 days you will basically be paying off your investment. And after 100 days, it's all going to be profits. And also, the more Strong tokens you have, and the more node Strong tokens you have, the more money you can make, and the quicker you'll make back your investment. And any money after that is going to be straight profit. One thing that you have to keep aware of is the Ethereum fees. And also, to stay in your node, you must pay $14 a month, which is very effective, and it allows you to make the most out of your node as it keeps it sustained, make sure that you're mining at the efficient rate. And yeah, also when you're claiming your Strong token, keep in mind that you're going to be spending Ethereum fees. So if you don't like spending Ethereum fees, I would consider you taking into the Strong token and understanding how much you'll be spending in expenses. But other than the expenses, there's no other downside other than that, as you are supporting the Ethereum network and you are making sure that you are making the most out of your money. And also you can connect your MetaMask wallet, which is great, and it's a very safe wallet. And just make sure you have your seed phrase and your backup phrase backed up and written down somewhere safe, and you won't need to worry about potential hacks or anything bad happening.
So you get one node for 10 Strong, and that one node will give you 0.1 Strong per day. So as Hamza mentioned, it takes 100 days for you then to be in pure profit per day. It'll be 100% profit.
As we can see, overall, this coin I would say is a 10 out of 10 in my opinion. Because if you already have some Ethereum just sitting there, I would definitely park it into Strong, and you'll be earning more rewards and more money from holding it in Strong rather than keeping it in Ethereum and speaking. as in my opinion, this is destined to do very well, okay? There's a lot of fundamentals that are going behind this. 94.7% of all strong tokens were burnt, okay? So as the people that made the coin, they can't, rug pull, they can't sell. So 94.7% of the whole supply has been burnt. So it gets sent to a dead address. And what I mean by that is where the the creators can't sell this coin or scam you. So it literally proves to itself that it's a very good project, and it just shows you like how good like it can, how well it can do basically. And yeah, that's why I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
So this is now the end of the video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you press this red subscribe button. Also like the video, it really helps out in the algorithm. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.